a civil authority has issued a child abduction emergency for the following counties/areas: Atascosa, Bandera, Bastrop, Bixar, Blanco, Burnett, Colwell, Comal, Witt, Emmett, Edwards, Fayette, Frio, Gillespie, Gonzales, Guadalupe, Hayes, Carnes, Kendall, Kirkconnell, Lavaca, Lee, Lano, Maverick, Medina, Real, Ravis, Uvalde, Valverde, Williamson, TX, at 8:31 am on Sep. 23rd, 2020, effective until 10:01 am. Message from WDFA/NWS. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. The Dallas Police Department is searching for Chastity Collins, black, female, 3 years old, September 15, 2017, 3 feet 0 inches, 85 pounds, black hair, brown eyes, and last seen at 12:20 am on September 20, 2020, at 2400 West Labrador Drive, Dallas. TX wearing a short sleeve shirt, gray tights, and no shoes. The involved suspect is currently unknown. The suspect is driving a white 2009 Lincoln MKZ with a TX license plate number of JJT 5997. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Dallas Police Department at 214-671-4268. News media point of contact is Dallas Police Department at 214-671-4065.